Hi guys,
Aniq here.
Ali here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today
we have about three things that we like a three bundle type thing.
So we have the 12.9-inch iPad Pro with the M1 5th generation.
You guys can see this, and then we have its corresponding Magic Keyboard in white.
In white.
And we also have
the Apple Pencil.
This is the one we unboxed in the Apple mini video, so you guys can go check that video out. So let's first start off with this.
So this is a 256 GB.
This is a 256 GB M1 12.9-inch iPad Pro. This one comes with like the new M1, like we said, so it now has, I guess, the same power as the MacBook Airs.
Okay. And the color is...
This has silver as a color, that's why we got the white, because then they match. So yeah, it's going to be all white. You guys can see the front. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you guys can see it's really big. And okay. So Ali, would you like to open it up? There we are.
Okay, wow, this is big for an iPad. Oh, probably three of mine.
This is iPad. Let's first take this out and look what's inside with it.
Ooh. So designed by Apple in California, the iPad Pro.
iPad Pro manual, blah, blah, and it also has white stickers somewhere here. Let me take this out. I can't find them, but there's, yeah. So this is the papers. You can see. Goes back, and then it also comes with USB-C to USB-C.
And a 20-watt power brick, same as the iPad Mini.
There, 20-watt fast charging power.
So this part of the thing, this part is the same as the iPad Mini.
Yep. Now let's look at the iPad. Yes, you can see here.
Whoa.
It's really big. It feels like a chocolate bar. Yeah, it's also like flat on the edges, and the buttons look way too small on it.
Yes. And the back camera, it looks small. It is small. It looks very small.
If I'm not wrong,
there's also LiDAR insert in this and two cameras.
Yes, and see it has almost the same looking camera setup as the iPhone 12. Okay, you can see, but now this one also has the LiDAR sensor built in over here. And so it has the same cameras as the 12, but it has the LiDAR sensor that is also in the 13. So let's open it up.
Okay.
Silver.
Silver looks good.
Okay. Yes, and see here, the three dots here are to attach this folio right here. We'll go into that later, and yeah, yes, and see, this also has a wide and an ultra wide camera on the front, which helps with the
full center stage, which is their new feature, where while you're in FaceTime, and it's gonna zoom in on you, and then if somebody else is talking, it's gonna widen out and zoom in on the other person, or just
so
while
like
you both are talking.
That follows you.
Yeah.
In a way. And
this
over
also
here
has
we have the iPad, the
Apple Pencil attachment.
Yeah.
And this has USB-C and Face ID as the previous generations.
So I think we're pretty much done with this. So let's now go on to the folio. Okay?
Okay.
On to the folio. This is to the side. Okay. So you guys can see this is a white folio. Here, front of it and
back of it.
This one comes also with the mouse pad.
Yes. So how does this one open?
Oh, it opens the same way.
Wow, that's nice.
Here we are.
Okay, whoa. Now let's take this out.
Out.
Oh, so it's just this, that's it?
This is the whole folio. Nothing else comes in the box. Empty.
Wow. No instructions or anything?
Let's see, it's probably inside. Feels really smooth. Yes, you can see here Apple logo and yeah.
2 lines. Okay. feels weird. No.
Now
Okay.
that's this paper which has something inside. Anything else? No, that's about it.
So big paper
it has
for
this
this.
in the middle, which has also this in the middle.
Same as the iPad Pro. Same
And
thing.
This comes up with the instructions manual and everything else.
Okay.
So this is the Magic Keyboard. Really.
So as you guys see, we have it in white, and here's the touchpad. Here's the keyboard, and
I
this is
personally like the white one way more than the black one. It looks way cleaner.
And this does not have Touch ID because the iPad Pro has Face ID already inside of it.
Yes. So iPad Pro has Face ID, meaning that there's no
No
use of having
Touch ID.
These are where the 3 dots go, and this is where the camera goes.
Oh, this feels good.
It has I don't think this has the butterfly switches. Does
Yeah,
it?
it feels different.
Feels different. Here you guys can see the small
Touchpad.
It's really good, and then it has a USB-C charger here, so you can charge while being.
So I think so. That's why.
So you can charge the iPad itself.
Yeah.
The reason they probably didn't provide a cable with this because I guess they already expected you to own a cable because if you're getting this, you pretty much already
Have an iPad.
I don't see any other reason why you would get it without the iPad.
Yeah.
So you want to attach the iPad now?
Okay. See, 3 dots go there.
And it attaches magnetically, so
Wow.
you can like move it around and stuff since it's like floating.
Mhm.
You can see.
This floating
And
looks
then
cool.
It attaches like that. Ellie, now let's go on to the third item.
The Apple Pencil. So let's.
The Apple
see this.
Pencil, nothing much, same thing. Yes, you guys have already seen this. There's the pencil.
Yeah,
It
and
has
then-
like the normal papers.
Mhm.
now
And
you
fairly
just attach
standard.
This here.
Yep.
This is like the all white
Setup.
iPad Pro setup. So the reason Apple added the M1 and made it this powerful is because this now can act as a laptop as in a replacement to like your iPad Air or something.
And that's also one reason we got this, is that you don't need to take your heavy laptop anywhere or everywhere. You can just take this with a folio, and it's automatically a laptop.
Yes. So.
And it's powerful as one as well.
So now let's go ahead and
Turn
it on. This on. It's turning on.
Mhm.
On the bigger folio, because compared to the smaller one, it's way more like natural to type because that one has smaller buttons, making it so that it's a little
Ooh.
weird feeling.
So it's like a circle dot when you move the touchpad.
Yeah, so now
Not
you
like
see
a
there's
standard
like a
mouse.
dot here which is getting moved by the touchpad.
Mhm.
You guys can see that. Let's show it in front. You guys can see there's like a dot. It's getting moved. You guys can see. So now let's quickly set it up. This is the iPad Pro. Yeah, so it turns into this thing. So now we set it up.
How heavy is it with the folio?
It's not that heavy with the folio. It's way more carryable.
The
But
laptop.
I feel like it's still heavier as compared to the M1 MacBook Air.
Well,
So,
you can go check that video out.
So you can see here that it has like you can just like swipe through everything like that with your thing, and
Camera.
here's the camera. So let's test that out real quick.
Okay, take a selfie.
Okay, selfie. So
Now you don't need to press it anymore. You can just use the touchpad.
Yep. So first off, let's use like zoom in. Ready? 3, 2, 1, cheese. Zoom.
And then out with the ultra wide.
That's ultra wide. 3, 2, 1, cheese.
Wow,
The
that
good
is
thing about this
wide.
you don't really need like a stand because now you can just move it around like this.
Yeah,
so,
it's
like,
floating.
tripod. It's floating, so you can just like move
Yeah.
it around. Now you guys can see those photos. Not like the best photos as compared to like the iPhone, but they're still really good.
Yeah.
For an iPad.
I think so. The ultra wide one looks a bit better from the normal.
Let's try
The back camera.
the back camera. Let's take a picture of this.
Okay.
Let's take a picture of you. Ready? 3, 2, 1, cheese. And now let's zoom out. 3, 2, 1, cheese. You can see the
Okay.
back camera definitely looks way better. It's still not as good as like the 12s or 13s,
Yeah.
but it's really good. So
Yeah.
it's really good.
Yeah. So one main reason we bought this is so like you can carry around easier and you don't need to bring your heavy laptop or something like that. You can just take this anywhere you need. It's small, portable, and
You
then
can also
it's
see
easy.
You have the pencil which you can use to like write
Yeah.
stuff, which is also really good.
Yep.
See it just like
Let's all continue.
continue and then okay. Sure. Okay. Hi.
That looks.
Hi. Okay, so yeah, so this works really well with this too, like as expected.
Yeah.
It's just like a great setup as compared to like the MacBook. So
Yeah.
I don't feel like it's at the point though where you could completely replace a laptop and use this, because
Yeah.
on laptop there's still like applications you can download from webs. It's way easier to navigate, especially on browsers and stuff, as compared to here when you
have to download. You can't get specific
let's go
apps
into
from other areas.
Safari, for example. Let's go into Safari. For example, we go into Safari. It does look good. It's pretty good. You can also make new tabs. Safari is probably the best situated for the iPad. But when you go into Chrome and stuff, it's just the same mobile setup. It doesn't feel like a laptop.
Yeah.
But sure, you can still do a lot of work, especially on the web. There's also like the mobile apps, like there's Premiere Pro Rush where you can edit videos, and then there's also like Photoshop Mobile, I think, where you can edit photos and stuff, which is really well. And then I think the main use of this will most probably be as drawing and stuff.
Yeah. So unlike the laptop, you have the Apple Pencil, and also this is like a good when you're all going on like a trip or something. This is the best option you would go for. At home, you would rather use a laptop or an iMac if you have one. This is a better option for like on the travel.
Option, yeah. This also, I forgot to mention, has the 120 hertz Pro XDR display, which is really smooth and it looks really smooth too. So it's a really good iPad. It's just that I don't really see this as like fully replacing a laptop, though it can be used as well.
Yeah. So that's about
it.
it.
Really good iPad. It looks really good too, all white and stuff.
And would recommend it if you're going like traveling very much often, not doing work from home.
So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Subscribe to our channel.
Remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.